In this tutorial, we will show a number of ways to design a circular tube. First, we define the basic parameters of the tube, such as diameter, material, thickness, and length. To add holes and cuts, go to the tube ribbon and select the Create Intersection option. Select the intersecting body and intersection type. You can use a number of different intersections to cut the tube. A plane body allows you to cut the entire tube in a specific angle. A lapped intersection allows you to cut the edge of the tube so it can be connected to the body of another tube. After creating the cuts for the tube, you can create a 3D simulation of the tube.